Has everybody got signed in and picked an area yet, or found somebody that you feel comfortable with? Anybody got any questions or?
I think
we've got lots. We've got Merlin
territory.
Yeah, we've got Merlin. So we've got another.
I would think if we walked along here.
Oh, speaking of the kingfisher.
Is that what that chatter is?
Mm-hmm. There's two of them. There they go.
There
There's the two kingfishers.
Nice. Kingfisher. There they go.
Yep, there's a wheel on the
down
top.
again, if you look against the water there.
What? They're going to come right up past us.
Right there, okay. Look at you guys. There they go.
I wonder if they're buddies or if they're chasing each other away.
Taking it out, yeah. Okay, that was
So the way that here they come again. So we really are counting every single bird that we see. So I've already got a couple mergansers. There was a mallard over here, and then we got here. But every single bird. So if we see 200 Canada geese sitting on a pond, we have to count 200, and we can learn how to kind of estimate.
There we go. Belted kingfisher. So we do 1, 2.
Alright, here we go.
You know what those are?
The one that we just saw. And it's the same great blue hair over there.
Alright, what do we have behind us?
That's a magpie.
That is a magpie. Yeah. There we go.
How many?
There's one right there.
You got him, Sass?
You see a magpie?
Yep, he's
right there.
Us.
Oh yeah, just one magpie.
It's spotter, Sass.
Okay, so then we need to find
Magpie.
one magpie. The magpies are usually somewhere back here.
What are the balls?
I think those are like... it is the Christmas bird count.
Oh, there you go.
It's perfect.
So that little high-pitched sound.
Is that guy right behind us?
Ooh, what's that?
See what those were? Off of the bot. Actually, those are... I don't know what kind, but those are goldfin. Those are finches.
Okay. Okay.
And they were just too far. I couldn't see if they were. That's is that a flicker?
Yeah.
The side of the river.
Okay, follow the big trunk up. Right? Keep following it all the way to the top.
Oh, no. Panda.
You see it?
No.
All the way to the
I got
top.
one on my cheek. Oh, I see one.
You got him?
Yeah. That's him?
Yeah, that's him.
I gotta go get him. Sis.
That sound. You saw two mallards over here?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Okay, should we start working our way down the river?
Not there, we're four ducks.
Oh wait, here's the...
Yep.
Well,
He's the same guy.
huge again. Come. There were 4 ducks over there. They're black.
That downy woodpecker's really working over that one little spot.
He is.
Let's see something good in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That is so cool. I don't think I've ever seen it.
Want to see my feather collection? Oh, got like weird and colorful.
You know what they are?
They say that that's an owl feather and that that's a woodpecker. But this is my first time, so I really don't know.
Darling.
No, they usually are in pretty big little flocks.
Has a super stubby little tail. Did you see it, Jordan? Come over here. Those are song sparrows.
Okay, I saw this little guy. He's tiny.
Mm-hmm. I'm thinking it might be a winter wren.
Okay, because I saw him earlier and I was just following him around. He's really dark.
Yeah, they're shy. They're hard to. But you can.
Everybody's bird.
Christmas bird count 2012.
Yeah! Riverstone.
Wait, let's go down the road.